Welcome back, Sun and Pop Shop, everybody. We're going to be showing you how to change a tire at home. Well, putting another tire on the rim at home to save yourself some money. But we'll put that tire on that rim using the car and those three tools. Valve stem remover. You can either get one of these, which are like $2 or $3, or some of your valve stems even have, your caps have the valve stem remover on them. But either way, it's cheap. But yeah, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna set you up here. I'll bring everything over this way. Need a good winter tire instead of a donut, and we got this laying around. So take the valve stem remover, take the valve stem out, let all the air out. Now that the air is all out, it only took about a minute. Then try and break the bead on it. Alright, gonna drive over it. There we go. A little soap and water and a couple times over. Flip her on over. Do it again on the front. Show the camera. There's Mama and the baby deer watching those two tires. I'm gonna try using a ramp. You could do that with a piece of wood, a ramp, whatever. Just make sure you put it right before the rim. Wouldn't recommend doing it that way, but if you can't get it the other way, we tried the other way. You guys seen. Now you're going to take a bar, prop it in between the wheel and the rim, and you're just going to want to pop it up over the rim. Just like that. And now you take your other one and you put it in. Even big screwdrivers and stuff work. We actually prefer the bigger screwdrivers, but I don't know where they went. Go just like this. Yeah.
That's all you do. Or you can do it that way.
One side. Here's the back side. Give yourself a little room. Put the bar through to the front. Like that. And pop her off. some tires have like arrows and stuff you gotta follow. I'm not seeing any on this one. What? I'm gonna have the wood Continental out top, out in the front. I don't know if it'll work, but what I'd like to do is I like to give her a little leap. Put my knees right here and right here. Don't hit the rim, it hurts. And it should pop the back on pretty easy, we'll see. It didn't work. A little bit, but not much. It's going. With a hammer. You'll go. Alright, now take your bars. Put one in there like that, the other one like this. We'll go this way. Gonna want to put pressure on it, so I like putting my knee on there.
Keep pressure. Come out. Gonna get harder towards the end.
You can hit it with the hammer at the end.
Just use my foot.
Now, just gotta air back up after putting our valve stem back in. Put your valve stem back in the valve stem. Okay. Now, fill her with air. Gotta try and hurry. Got 2% battery. What I like to do is I like to take it and give her a couple bounces. I'm going to turn the air on, flip the valve. There we go. Put some little looby dooby on her. Give her a couple smashes. And air her up. Not going to seem like it's airing up, but it's going. one. Pops is turning the tire on me.
There.
We're back real quick. Got it on the bead. And now it's all done. They popped twice. We're just gonna fill her up to 38 pounds and be good to go. But yeah, battery's dead on the GoPro, but the tire's done. Hope the video helped, save you some money. Camera died, shooting this on the phone. Got it on the rim. Got it to stop leaking. It was leaking a little bit. Had to tap her with the hammer, you know, make sure the bead's set good. But hopefully the video helped, and hopefully you guys could save, you know, a few bucks if you don't have it. There's also a way to do it with the jack. If you guys want to see how to do it with the jack, let us know. Put it down in the comments. I'll do a video on that too. Is it easier to take it to a shop? Probably. But some people don't have money to take it to a shop. So that's why we did it this way. That's why we're going to put it on YouTube. And hopefully somebody could use it and save a couple bucks if they don't have it. And go from there. And Pops is starting a fire. So yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Hopefully the video helps. Glass coming for the 56 Buick. Got that in today. Video's coming up soon for that. Catch you guys in the next one. Thank you.